how we can convert this kind of simple text into this kind of attractive carousel ads within a few seconds with using one free AI tool. Now let's see step by step how we can do that. At first we need to visit this website bdraw.ai. Just need to search it on your Google search bar. Then you just need to simply create your free account. As I already have created my account, then I just need to simply click here start for free. Then you will get interface like this. Now you have to click here this import. Okay, well, on the left side here you can see format. That means if you want to create carousel ad from your text content, you need to follow this format. This format has three parts. First one is intro, second one is your content, that means slide. Here can be 3 to 20 slides. And at the end, you can get the outro part. But both intro and outro are optional. Now you have to copy this format, and based on this format you have to prepare your content. So based on this format I have already prepared my content, so I just need to simply paste my content like I am copying it from there. Now I have to paste it over there. Okay, now let's match with format and the content I have written. In format we can see the first one is intro, then title, you have to write your title. I have written my title here. Then you have to give your tagline. Here is my tagline. Then you have to give description, and here is my description. It is for intro. And for slide, here you can see we need to give our first slide title. Here you can see my first slide title. Then you have to give description. I have also given my description. In that way I have completed my required fifth slide, as I want to create a carousel of fifth slide. And here you can see I did not include any outro here. If you want, you can include your outro. Okay, after giving this content like or following this format, now you have to click here import carousel. As soon as you click here import carousel, then you need to wait for a few seconds, like 10 to 15 seconds, then your content or your carousel ad will be generated. As I have already generated my carousel, I'm showing you how you'll get yours. Okay, after clicking on import carousel, my carousel is generated like this way. Now the next task we need to do, just need to edit where we want. So to edit the carousel ad, you need to at first click here in this color icon if you want to change the color of your ad design. Let's say I want to change the color of this slide, so I have clicked on this slide. Now select a color, and now I'm changing the color options. Here you can see as soon as I'm changing the color plate code, the color is changing here. So in case of you can just need to simply click the color that you want. Okay, next thing, now we want to change the content. We need to click here on this content. Now we can change here the tagline. If we want to change, we can change the title, we can change the description. Even if we want to turn on or turn off the image. And there's another thing. If we click here on this image, then we will have options to update the image that we want to use. And here you can change the position of the image just by using this option. You can fit the image, you can change the image orientation. Okay, if we click here in this text, here as I already shown, we can change our text from here. Like if we talk about the slide arrow here, we can see sweep here. If we want, we can write different things here, then it will be changed here. And if we click here hit short, then the format will be changed. Like here we can use our own image. You just need to simply click here, we can upload our own image and it will be updated here. Okay, if we click here on this background, then we can select or use different kind of background for this design. And here is branding options. If we want, we can change our image, we can change the format of our image, we can change our name, we can change our role, we can change everything from here. And there's another thing that you should do before creating carousel ad. Here you can see this icon, just need to simply click here. And before creating carousel, we need to determine which format you'd like to create. Like you can create a 1:1 size, you can create 4:5, 9:16, everything you can do from there. So I think in that way you can create easily any kind of carousel design from just simple text.